Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. My name is Mr. Singh. Ticker symbol MARA, Marathon Digital Holdings. What a day, right? What a day today where pre-market we were looking pretty great. And I'll tell you what's the reason behind why we came all the way down. And like we aftermarket on Friday we closed up. Pre-market was looking $18.52, and as soon as the bell happens, here goes. And we started selling off the first, actually 1 hour. We had a continuous 1 hour of sale. If you see it right here on the 9:30 to all the way to the 10:30, and we had a drop off from $18.26 came all the way to $16.75. You can clearly see that it didn't even came in test. When it opened up, it tested, it got rejected, and then quickly we had my 60-day moving average was sitting as a massive resistance. It came throughout the day. We went low again, kind of make a double bottom, and came and tested my 60-day. You know, graphs doesn't lie. You can clearly see that, and go rejected, and they kind of broke throughout. Like after that, for a while, give us a quick hope, made some run on top, got rejected, and it was like a roller coaster, up and down, and we finished the day at $16.64, $1.56 from the previous close, which is an 8.57 in red. After markets, we still had about $16.56, closed up to a very, very negative day if you are a bull, right? We're quickly going to look on the 5 days, and we talked about my magic number. But remember that I was telling my 1730 needs to break and hold. We did broke out, was acted as our massive resistance in the beginning. I have to go all the way to a 1 month chart, folks, to show you. And because our moving averages were right over there, right? Because we were sitting right over here, time and time, tagging alone to hoping it's to break out, and was acting as our support. It didn't. Unfortunately, it didn't that. But we are still at the RSI. Now we have a room right here. RSI is kind of going to the oversold territory. Whenever happens oversold, you see some reversal. But our MACD is really hefty. Even our MACD is showing a time to turn, which needs volume with a bull in order to do that, right? So once you see that, and you will have some momentum up. But the next drop, I know you guys don't want to hear it. It's sitting as right there at $14.71. But before we talk on the technical side, if you're a bull, I know you definitely don't want to hear that. But I'm going to talk about a couple of things that what is going on, right? Marathon stock led the bull and the bear case of Marathon. 100%. I agree with that. We have days where bull takes over with the days we have a bear, but it caps it to that between the range of $14 to $18. But a couple of, how Bitcoin moves. Bitcoin it plays a massive role in Marathon's thing. We know this company has acquired two different mining sites, one in Texas and one in Nebraska. The operations will begin in April 20th. I believe there was the date on that for in full effect. A couple things on this article. Marathon Digital stock has a significant surge in the late of 2023 and into 2024. This move has fueled largely securing Bitcoin's prices and optimism of a catalyst. However, the bearish camp of investors remain, suggesting this stock may not trade in the steady fashion in either direction. Here you go, right? But what are we looking at, right? You cannot have that. Remember the SPY that we used to have? I don't know if you guys are familiar of SPY 500, where we had the roller coaster, and right now is sitting at the all-time high back again. So look at this run we had back in December, all the way 15 to $31. Came right here, and then we got rejected. So the next stop, none other than, is going to be sitting right over here, which was at $14. I'm going to shift it right here at $23. $14.23 is going to be. I put a little bit over on that to 27 cents. Because we have this gap right here to 62 cents. So gotta keep an eye at these two key levels if you are looking to add. We did have this bull flag pattern, and we are taking our 60-day moving average, and we got rejected quickly time and time. Look at this, my pink line, right? That's the magic 200-day EMA. We had it right here. My 50-day, 60-day is sitting right over here, which acted as a resistance, then acted as a support when we were training in between this channel right here. Let's kind of see if hope you guys can see it properly. Uh, but this is what we have in between that, and we couldn't hold and go all the way to down at the down. So one more thing I'm going to quickly show you is year to date. Yes, folks, year to date, key levels still an RSI kind of pointing towards. You see that when we had this momentum and the bears came in, right? A sell off right over here. So clearly you're going to see a couple of things right on the screen. We traded off all the way high. Now we did came bounce back all the way to $14 and kind of trading in between that side direction, but we don't know what direction is going to be on that. 6 months quickly before I let you guys know. I know you guys don't want to hear too much today because if you're a bull, this is not the day you really want to be the part of it. But I want to quickly share with you guys, there's always a light after the tunnel. So don't worry about it. I won't be surprised tomorrow that I can see filling this gap. When we had this over, kind of everything's pointing for downtrend. Nothing wrong over, nothing positive. It is showing that because we couldn't break out on this major resistance. We tested it. We did have the fake breakout. It's called a fake breakout, and we quickly got rejected. But $14.27, it is an area to keep an eye where I will be adding my shares, which I'm sharing my thoughts on that. Hopefully it doesn't come on that. So, we can start having this uptrend. But right now it is showing that it is a temporary on that. I would say so. Don't beat yourself up. Stay positive. Stay focused because we have a long journey right. When you have this moving average tagging so closely together, right? It's either we explode up, explode down. Right now it's showing down. And that's why I'm saying that it's going to be coming right over here if it's going to fill that gap. It's already filled up that gap. So it's just a matter of time where is going to be the next direction going forward on that. Quickly on the 5-year, you can see I'm all the way to 5-year chart. I do go back to 5 years, certain things to look at it. We are just jumbled up over here. And then 1 year, as I showed you guys right up here, and it is that $16 we couldn't break out because our key resistance back in August of 2023, we were sitting highs of $19, but now we just sell off and came back right over here. So I won't be surprised. Like I said, I won't be surprised. We kind of come back, tested it right here, close to that $15.97 around here, and go back. So nevertheless, I'll let you guys go because I really uh, wasn't happy about the momentum that we shifted as a long-term investor, but I am staying positive. Staying positive is the one thing you can do for your mindset if you can control your emotions. And I'll have a plan. What do you want to do? I know I have a plan to load up some shares down to these stages and do that too because this is the opportunity sometimes you get at a discounted price and and you don't want to miss it. So I'm excited. Aftermarket is still going on. We have 3 minutes left to close. A couple of big orders you can see on my screen. It started rolling in and some selling it. So nothing new on that. Nothing too Chevy. But it's have a plan, folks. Have a plan. What do you want to do with Marathon Digital? What key point you want to load shares and sell it because it will have a clear direction. It's a shift on in a sector right now with the minings and EV sector are not doing well. Right, you can see the MEG down was Dow Jones was down today. SPY 500 was down today. It is those heavy tech stocks. So I'll let you guys go. Right, stay positive. Wednesday when I'll do the video, I know you guys are going to be excited about it. Right, in terms of loading more shares or the stock price is going. Right now, it is unfortunately showing me a downtrend, but it's just a matter of time because it's about how bull steps up. Right, it shows me this. If the bull shows up, it go reversal. Right now, everything it is showing kind of head to head with bull versus bear, where you can see a very less sell off because today was a sell off day. You can clearly see that a big red candle over here. All right, folks, let you guys go. I know I've been saying it 2 times already, holding you guys talking on the video, but I had a lot of things to cover, but I didn't want it to, beat you guys down more on what's coming up, right? Stay positive, have a clear-headed, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you.